Hello guys, Salman Naseem again. Welcome to the second lecture of our course. Today we will learn about the keyframe. So first of all, what is keyframe? In early days of animation, when artist has to draw each and every frame and combine it to create the animation. Now in a digital world, we just need to define starting and ending point of any object or any stuff. It could be a character, it could be any object. It's a car or train or anything. We will just define the starting point and the ending point, and together it will make one sequence. I'm actually not a definition guy, so it's better to try it in Blender. We have already learned how to change the location of your object or rotate or scale. At first, we will just add the keyframe on these properties. We will start with the location. So currently my cube is on 0, 0, 0. That means x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, all of axes are on 0. And if I just change the location on x-axis, automatically cube will change its location. Now the z location is 0, only x location is 6. So that will be my starting point. I will go here, select the cube and click on this button, animate property. It will turn into a yellowish, which means that it has the active frame on that specific part. Like currently if we see on a timeline, currently our cursor is at 1. At one frame, we have added a keyframe. So I will drag my cursor to the 24, I mean 1 second. If we are working on 24 FTPS, so it will turn into a green. The green color means we have the keyframe before or after that. At here, we will change the location of x-axis like that. So it will turn into orange. The orange color means there is a change with respect to the previous keyframe. So I will add another keyframe. Now if I drag my cursor like that, you will see the keyframe is added and it will start animating. Congratulations, that is the hello word for you to animate a cube. We will continue it further. I will go on a 40. So first I will define the starting point on 40 frame and I will change on z-axis and add the keyframe. So you will see that our cube will animate like that. For example, at this point, I want to change the animation on z-axis. I will bring my cursor to that specific frame and change the location. So it will turn into orange, and we will add it again. There will be a keyframe. These both colors are similar. Once both colors are similar, that means there is an active keyframe on that specific frame. By definition, it's look little hard, but as per practical, it is cool and much interesting. Now if I go back there, now you will see that our cube is little upward as per a previous keyframe. That is because there is no keyframe before that, so our starting point will not change before 24. We will understand it much better. I will go on a 50. Now I will add keyframe on all three axes. I will press I and select the location. I is a shortcut for keyframing in Blender. So I will select the location. All of them turn into a yellow, and I will go on a 70 and change the location manually like that here. Press the I key again and select the location. So now at first our cube will go like that, and at 70 it will bring here. Same goes for location, rotation and scale. So we will add these also and then combine all of them together. At first I will define the starting point. So that is the starting point. Bring the cursor little up, rotate it again like that and press the I key. Select the rotation. So now at here our cube will start rotating. At here I will test the scale also, add the keyframe for starting point, and at 110 I will increase the size and press the I key. Select the scale. So now our cube will go like that. So all set, we have learned all three basic stuff of 3D geometry, how to animate all of them. Now it's time to combine these. When I press the I key, there is a combination of location rotation scale, or a custom property, and there are many more. but first of all we will try location, rotation, scale. That mean the keyframe will be added on all three properties. You will see some orangish line over here, which means there is no change between these two keyframes. So first I will bring the cursor here, change the rotation. You will see there is a change on a location and rotation, and at the top I will change it like that, change the scale, and now I will bring that to here. Yeah, so everything is changed. I will add the keyframe, location, rotation, scale. You will see the whole animation. So congratulations, your first animation is already made. As an exercise, you will have to practice it on different object. For example, just as an example, go and add the mesh, from the mesh section, add the torus and practice the keyframe on these specific part. So that is all for this lecture. See you in the next video.